Dr. Sriram Chaulia, Republic Contributor, International Affairs, is also with us. Sriram, I want to read out this very stern letter that has been released to Rahul Gandhi by as many as 9 top former generals of the Indian Army. They say, does Rahul Gandhi not know that Tibet was handed over to China on a platter by Mr. Nehru? And China constructed roads through Aksai Chin and later occupied it when Nehru was Prime Minister? You know, these are just some of the questions that they have asked. And that's the reality. You heard what Ladakh MP also told Republic TV. How can you forget your own moral responsibility or the historic blunders that not just your party but your immediate family is responsible for the situation that we're dealing with China today?
No, very true. In fact, we know for a fact that, as you said, they underinvested in border infrastructure. They had a defeatist mindset, especially during Nehru's time. They believed that, building roads, motorable roads and airstrips would enable the Chinese to invade India easier. You see, so we had no self-confidence, and obviously at a time when the Chinese were saying that they were going to teach India a lesson, to use a famous phrase of Mao Zedong. We had a defense minister, Krishna Menon, at the time under Nehru, who did not even believe that we needed a military. So there was a lot of naivety and lack of strategic, thinking and consciousness during Congress times, barring Mrs. Indira Gandhi's, triumph in 1971, which is a different category altogether, the Bangladesh war. Their record has been very poor. And, for them to now come and deliver lectures to Narendra Modi government, I think it speaks of a total hypocrisy. And you're right that, the Chinese are very astute. They like to divide their opponents. And they are looking at India and saying, wow, there are some elements here, the so-called left liberal elements, that seem to be challenging the government here. And we should try and create a wider wedge in the society. There are some media elements also in our country who take a pro-China stance, even though it is, it's like pure treason that they are committing. So I think it's important that we put it on record. What is the history of this party and what have they done with national security? And secondly, they have not got a sense of what is happening right now at the LAC. They are simply, when they think opposition, literally I think they believe to oppose everything. But when it comes to core national interests, we have a situation. China is a superior force overall compared to India in terms of military. But we are now leveling this, the asymmetry. We are reducing the asymmetry. We are establishing deterrence at the border. Last 6 years, there's been a lot of work, and that's why the Chinese are perturbed. That's why they are worried that we are creating parity with them, and that's why they try to preempt us now. And they try to do the same in Doklam as well, 2017. But we have stood our ground. So, these are all momentary critiques. Let us wait for a few weeks. Let us wait for a few months. The track record of China is more bark than bite. They don't want a real fight with India. They always back off when we are ready to show them that we can match them man for man. So eventually they are going to roll back. Already the withdrawal has started, and there will be nothing for them to talk about. They'll move to the next thing to oppose. So this is a kind of a game that they're playing.
Well, we'll leave it. We'll wait to see what exactly happens. We don't really want to speculate on that. Dr. Sriram Chaulia, I do appreciate you joining us. One thing is clear, he may be turning 50, but there's a level of immaturity that Rahul Gandhi continues to display. Unfortunately for him, the history of his own party and his family is so poor that every time he attacks the current dispensation, there are actually skeletons from the Congress's closet that keep tumbling out. In that respect, it's almost a faux pas to try and attack the current government on China, especially given Congress party's history on the same. We have to slip into a very short break. We'll continue and get you more on the other side.